In this video, we start exercise 2.5 of the polynomial. The first question is, using suitable identities, find the products of the following. Using suitable identities. Find the product. Using the suitable identities, we have to find the product of the given expressions. The first part is x plus 4 and x plus 10. X plus 4 and x plus 10. So, we will write the first term of the first bracket and the second bracket will be written as it is. Then the second term of the first bracket and the second bracket we will write as it is. Then we remove the bracket. So x multiplied by x, x square, plus x into 10, 10x, plus 4 into x, 4x, plus 4 into 10, 40. Then x square plus 10x plus 4x, 14x, and plus 4. This is the result. The second is x plus 8 and x minus 10. X plus 8 and x minus 10. This is the similar question. We will write the first term of the first bracket and the second bracket would be written as it is. The second term of the first bracket and the second bracket would be written as it is. So x into x, x square plus minus minus 10 into x, 10x plus 8 into x, 8x and plus minus minus 80. So we get x square minus 10x plus 8x minus 2x and minus 80. Now the third part is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 1. 3x plus 4 multiplied by 3x minus 5. In the same way, we will do this question also. So we will write the first term of the first bracket and second bracket will be written as it is. Then second term of the first bracket. Then the term containing the second bracket. Then remove the bracket. 3 into 3, 9, x into x, x square, plus minus minus 3 into 5, 15x, plus 4 into 3, 12x, plus minus minus 4 into 5, 20. Then 9x square, minus 2, 15x plus 12x, minus 3x, and minus 20. Then part 4 of this question. Y square plus 3 by 2, y square plus 3 by 2, and y square minus 3 by 2. In this question, we use the identities. The identities is a plus b and a minus b. This is a square minus b square. So at the place of a, there is y square, and at the place of b, there is 3 by 2. So we write a square minus b square, the value of a, y square, the whole square, minus the value of b, 3 by 2, the whole square. So it comes y raised to the power 4, minus 3 the square 9, 2 the square 4. So the result, y raised to the power 4 minus 9 by 4. The fifth part, 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. Again we use the same identities. A minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. And at the place of a in our question there is 3. At the place of b there is 2x. So we write the formula a square, 3 the whole square minus b the square, 2x the whole square, 3 the whole square 9 and 2x the whole square, 4x square. Now the second part, second question. Evaluate the following products with multiplying directly. First part of second. We have to find the product 103 into 107. 103 into 107. So we will write both the terms in terms of 100. 103 is written as 100 plus 3 and 107 is written as 100 plus 7. So the first term of the first bracket and the second bracket will be written as it is. The second term of the first bracket and then second bracket written as it is. So 100 multiplied by 100, we get 1 4 times of 40. 100 into 7, 700, 3 into 100, 300 plus 3 into 7, 20. And add all these terms, so we get 1, 2, and then 3 plus 7, 10, then 0, 1, and then 1 and 1. Double 1, 0, 2. Double 1, 0, 2. The next part is 95 into 96. The next part is 95 into 96. 95 multiplied by 96. So 95 can be written in the terms of 100. 100 minus 5 and 96 is written as 100 minus 4. So 100 and the second bracket 100 minus 4, then second term of the first bracket, then second bracket as it is 100 into 100, 1 and 4 times of 0, minus 400, minus 500 and minus minus plus 20. So we get minus 400, minus 500, this is minus 900. So minus 900 added 109 00 and plus 20. So we get 109 and 20. The third part is 104 into 96. 104 into 96. 104 will be written in terms of 100 and 96 is written in terms of 100. So we use the identities a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square, where the value of a is 100 and the value of b is 4. So 100 the whole square minus 4 the whole square. It gives 1 4 times of 0 minus 100. We subtract 10084 9084 9084. Then we will do question number 3. One 40 minus 60 998. Question number 3. Factorize the following by appropriate identities. First part of question number 3. Factorize the identities. Factorize the using appropriate identities. So 9x square plus 6xy. 9x square plus 6xy and plus y square. So 9x square can be written in terms of whole square. This can be written as 3x the whole square. And y square is written y the whole square. And 6xy can be written 2 into 3x into y. So this is the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is equals to 3x and the value of b is equals to y, and the formula for this is a plus b the whole square. So put the value of a 3x and the value of b y the whole square. 3x plus y the whole square. So this is on the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a plus b the whole square. The second part is 4y square and minus 4y and plus 1 minus 4y plus 1. So 4y square is written 2y the whole square, and 1 can be written 1 the whole square is minus, we use minus 2 into 2y into 1. Again this is on the identities a square minus 2ab plus b square, and its formula is a minus b the whole square, and the value of a is the term containing bracket 2y, and the value of b is 1. So the result is 2y minus 1 the whole square. The third part, x square minus y square upon 100. So both the terms will be written in terms of whole square, x the whole square minus, this can be written as y by 10 the whole square. And this is the identity of the form a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. At the place of a we have x, and the place of b we have y by 10. So we write the identities a plus b means x plus y by 10, and a minus b means x minus y by 10. Now for question number 4. In each of the part of the question number 4, we use only one form, and that is a plus b plus c the whole square. A plus b plus c the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2c. Only one formula will be used in all the part of question number 4. So the first part is x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. The first part is x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So firstly we use the identity, we write the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. And at the place of a in our question there is x, at the place of b there is 2y, and at the place of c we have 4z. So we put all the values. So at the place of a we will write x, at the place of b we write 2y, and at the place of c we put 4z the whole square. So a square means x square, b square means 2y the whole square, c square means 4z the whole square, plus 2 into a into b. A is x and the value of b is 2y, plus 2bc. 2 into the value of b is 2y and the value of c is 4z. Then plus 2ca. So 2 into the value of c is 4z and the value of a is x. Then we solve this expression. So x square plus 2 the whole square 4 and 4y square, 4 the whole square 16, z square plus 2 into 2 4xy plus 2 into 2 4 into 4 16 yz plus 2 into 4 8zx. So this is the result. X square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz and plus 8zx. Now let us see question number, its second part. Second part of this question. 2x minus y plus z the whole square. 2x minus y plus z the whole square. So firstly, we have to write the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and then plus 2c. Now we have to write the value of a, b and c by comparing from the formula. So here the value of a is equals to 2x and the value of b is equals to minus of 1 and the value of c is equals to z. So we write the value 2x plus b means minus y plus c means z the whole square. So we have to write a square means 2x the whole square, b square means minus y the whole square plus c square z the whole square plus 2 into a into b. The value of a is 2x and the value of b is minus y plus 2 into b into c. The value of b is minus y and the value of c is z plus 2 into c into a. The value of c is z and the value of a is 2x. Now we solve this expression. So 2x the whole square means 4x square. 2 the whole square 4 and x the square x square plus minus the square plus y square plus z square plus minus minus 2 into 2 4 x y again plus minus minus 2 y z then plus 2 into 2 4 z x. So this is the result. Now the third part of this question. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z. 3y plus 2z the whole square. We write the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2c. Now in the next step we have to write the value of a, b and c. So the value of a is minus 2x, the value of b is 3y and the value of c is 2z. Put the value, so minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square equals to a square means minus 2x the whole square plus b square 3y the whole square plus c square 2z the whole square plus 2 into the value of a is minus 2x and the value of b is plus 3y plus 2 into b. The value of b is 3y and the value of c is 2z plus 2 into C. The value of C is 2z and the value of A is minus of 2x. So minus the square plus 2 the whole square 4. So 4x square plus 3 the square 9, 9y square, 2 the whole square 4z square plus minus minus 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12xy, then 2 into 3, 6 into 2, 12yz, and plus minus minus 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, so minus 8zx. The fourth part of this question, 3a minus 7b minus c the whole square. 3a minus 7b minus c the whole square. We use the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2c. Now put the value of a, b and c. So a is equals to 3a, b is equals to minus 7b, and the value of c. The value of c is minus c. The value of c is minus c. So put the value 3a minus 7b minus c the whole square equals to a square, means 3a the whole square plus b square minus 7b the whole square plus minus c the whole square, 2 into a means 3a, and the value of b is minus 7b plus 2bc. So 2, the value of b is minus 7b and the value of c is minus c, plus 2 into the value of c is minus c and the value of a is 3. Now we remove the bracket. 3 the square 9 a square plus minus the square plus 7 the whole square 49 b square plus minus c the whole square plus c square plus minus minus 2 into 3 6 into 7 42 ab plus minus minus and minus minus plus 2 into 7 14 bc and plus minus minus 2 into 3 6 ac. Then fifth part, minus 2x plus 5y. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z the whole square. So we write the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then put the write the value of a. A is minus 2x, b is 5y and c is minus of 3z. Then minus 2x plus 5y and minus 3z. Here we have substituted the value of a, b and c. Now a square means minus 2x the whole square plus b square 5y the whole square plus c square means the value of c is minus 3z the whole square plus 2 into a. The value of a is minus 2x and the value of b is 5y plus 2b into c. The value of b is 5y and the value of c is minus 3z plus 2c into a. The value of c is minus 3z and the value of a is minus of 2x. Then minus the square plus 2 the square 4x square plus 25y square plus minus the square plus 3 the square 9z square plus minus minus 2 into 2 4 4 into 5 20 xy plus minus minus 2 into 5 10 10 into 3 30 yz and minus minus plus 2 into 3 6 into 2 12 z. Then the last part of this question, sixth part. Sixth part of this question. This is 1 by 4a. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 the whole square. So we write the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then we write the value of a, b and c. The value of a is 1 by 4a. The value of b, we compare. The value of b is minus 1 by 2b and the value of c is 1. Now put all these values. So 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b and plus 1 the whole square. Then we have to write a square, means 1 by 4a the whole square plus b square, means minus 1 by 2b the whole square plus c square, means 1 square plus 2 into the value of a is 1 by 4a and the value of b is minus of 1 by 2 into b. Then we have to write the term 2bc. So 2 into the value of b is minus 1 by 2b and the value of c is plus 1. Then we have to write 2ca. C is 1 and the value of a is 1 by 4 2c. Then we expand the bracket 1 by 4 the whole square 1 by 16 a square plus 1 minus the square plus 1 by 2 the square 1 by 4 b square plus 1 the square 1 and 2 into 2 4 plus minus minus. So we get a into b ab and 2 into 2 4, so minus 1 by 4 ab. Then 2 and 2 cancelled, plus minus minus, so minus b, and then 2 and 4 gets cancelled, plus 1 by 2 into a. This is the result. Now in the question number 5, factorize. Question number 5. Again we have to factorize 4x square plus 9y square, 4x square plus 9y square and plus 16z square plus 16z square. Then plus 12xy, 12xy minus 24yz, and then minus 16xz, minus 16xz. In such type of questions, we use the same formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to a plus b plus c the whole square. Only one formula will be used in such type of questions also. We will write first in a square form. 4x square is written as 2x the whole square. 9y square is written as 3y the whole square. And 16z square is written as 4z the whole square. So in the very beginning, we have to write the three terms, the term containing a square in the whole square form. So 4x square written 2x the whole square, 9y square is written 3y the whole square, 16z square is written as 4z the whole square. Now we have to observe the negative terms. So there are two negative terms, this and this, and in both the terms, one is the negative term containing yz and the other negative term which contains xz. So from yz and xz, what is the common term? The term containing negative term. There are two negative terms. In first there is minus yz and minus xz. So in both the terms, z is common. Z is common. So the term containing the z, we put the sign minus. We put the sign minus. Now compare this. So this is a square, b square, and the value of c comes to be minus 4z. Now we have to write 2ab. So 2, the value of a, at the place of a, we will write 2x. At the place of b, we will write 3y. Then we have to write 2bc. So 2 as it is, at the place of b, there is 3y. And at the place of c, there is minus of 4z. Then we have to write the term 2ca. 2, the value of c is minus 4z. And the value of a is 2x. So this is the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. So this is the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2c, and which is equals to a plus b plus c the whole square. And we have the value of a is 2x, the value of x we have 2x, the value of b we have 3y, and the value of c we have minus of 4z. So at the place of c, we will write minus of 4z at the whole square. So this is the result.